Let's get started installing your Coral Gables ceiling fan. Here are the tools you'll need. Secure the ceiling bracket with the washers and wood screws provided in the hardware pack. If you're attaching it to an existing ceiling fan rated box, use the machine screws. Remove the pre-installed set screw so the downrod can be inserted. Pass all the wires through one horizontal side of the downrod. Hand tighten the downrod until it stops, at least 4 to 5 turns. Tighten the set screw with pliers. Do not hand tighten it. Cut the wires so 8 inches shows from the top of the downrod. Use the 8-inch green wire as a reference.
Then strip 3/8 of an inch off the top of the wires.
Slide the canopy over the downrod and wires so it sits loosely on the fan. Place the downrod ball into the slot in the ceiling bracket. Place the receiver on top of the downrod. There are 5 sets of wires you'll need to connect. To connect the wires, hold the bare metal ends of the wires together and place an orange wire connector over them. Then, twist the wire connector clockwise until it's tight. Give it a gentle pull to make sure none of the wires are loose. You will need to do this for the grounding wires from the ceiling, fan, and ceiling bracket. The grounded wire from the ceiling will be green and yellow striped, or bare copper. You will also need to connect the yellow wire from the receiver to the black wire from the fan, the blue wire from the receiver to the blue or black and white striped wire from the fan, the black ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire from the receiver, and the white grounded wire from the ceiling to both the white wire from the receiver and the white wire from the fan. Lift the canopy into place so that the screw holes are aligned. Insert the 2 canopy screws that are found in the solid black circle hardware bag and secure it. Attach each blade to a blade iron using 3 blade washers found in the solid black square bag and the 3 blade assembly screws found in the solid triangle bag. Lightly attach the blade irons to the motor with the screws found in the hourglass symboled hardware bag. Then securely tighten after both screws are attached. Remove the pre-installed assembly screw and red flag from the light kit assembly. Carefully remove the light kit from the upper switch housing and set the light kit aside. Partially install 2 switch housing assembly screws found in the 3 solid horizontal line bag into the motor of the ceiling fan. Feed the plug through the center hole of the upper switch housing, then wrap the keyhole slots around the 2 screws and twist counterclockwise to lock the upper switch housing into place. Insert the 3rd screw into place, then tighten all 3 screws. Partially install the 3 light kit assembly screws found in the bag with 3 lines on it into the post, leaving 1 post empty. Connect the plugs from the upper and lower switch housing. Make sure the colored markings on the connectors line up. Align the 3 keyhole slots in the light kit with the 3 assembly screws in the posts. Lift the light kit and twist counterclockwise to lock it into place. Be sure that both pull chains are hanging freely. Install the 4th light kit assembly screw and tighten all 4 screws securely. Install a light bulb into the socket. Position the notches in the outer rim of the globe so they line up with the tabs on the light kit assembly. Rotate the globe in a clockwise direction until it's secure. Lift the cage assembly into place. Install the 3 globe assembly screws and tighten all 3 of them securely. Remove the battery door to the handheld remote transmitter. Install the 2 AAA batteries found in the remote control bag. The fan button turns the fan on or off, while the light bulb button turns the light on or off. You can adjust the fan speed using the directional buttons